29 up in Denton. We have a 43-mile-an-hour gust in Decatur. We had some 60s up here in Wichita Falls about 45 minutes ago. The winds have finally died down there. Haskell, far western sections of North Texas, out in the rolling plains, we have a 50-mile-an-hour gust there right now. So the peak gust today, North Lake up to 61, Sherman 58, Mineral Wells had a gust of 55 miles per hour, Denton had one to 51 miles per hour, and DFW had one at 49. Our Scoop Jefferson is in Fort Worth. And Scoop, you're telling me there's been some fires in Tarrant County today, right?
Oh, yeah, and the wind being one of those ingredients for the right conditions and the red flag warning. Let me show you what the wind did here in Fort Worth. This is a yard that caught fire after another yard caught fire nearby. And I'm going to show you how that wind carried those flames up the street from house to house. Take a look at the yard next door. This is what happened. Again, the wind sending those flames, and this happened to another house and in their backyard. Again, these are all the conditions that are right for fires to spread easily and for flames to spread quickly. First thing today, the Arlington Police Department held a briefing about being prepared for something like this. They brought in extra firefighters to work on their 4 brush trucks. The department decided to stage those trucks throughout the city of Arlington because of the red flag warning. Firefighters are urging people to report even small grass fires right away. They're also counting on people to do their part, making sure they understand because of dry, windy conditions, it doesn't take much for a fire to spark.
Do your part with not doing outdoor burning, starting any type of fires, to burn brush, anything like that. Being very cognizant of not throwing cigarettes out of your windows and just being proactive in any circumstances to help prevent wildfires.
The same windy conditions for the red flag warning have also impacted air travel in the metro area. Both of our airports had to manage hundreds of passengers who had their flights either canceled or delayed because of those high winds. Back here live on Skyhawk Avenue in Fort Worth, fortunately, after this fire spread from yard to yard, no one got hurt. Firefighters across the metro area are asking people again to report fires right away by calling 911.